Today we're going to talk about modal verbs for permission. Let's just recap quickly what modal verbs are. They are auxiliary verbs that we use with a main verb to convey a specific function like permission, advice, obligation, and so on. Examples of modal verbs are may, might, must, should, and so on. The ones we're going to look at today in this video are the ones for permission, so can, could, and may. Let's start with can. This is quite informal, so you would use it to talk to your friends, for example, people you know well, or you can use it to ask for small or unimportant things with unknown people, strangers. For example, can I borrow your pencil? Can I use your bathroom? Can we do a puzzle? So these are questions where we ask for permission. You can play outside if you want. So that's a statement giving permission. You can't watch TV until you've tidied your room. So here we are not giving permission. If we have a question asking for permission, the way we would respond to that is by saying, yes, you can. Yes, of course. Yes, sure. Yes, that's fine. Yes, no problem. Or we would deny permission by saying, no, you can't. No, sorry, I'm afraid not. No chance. Absolutely not. These last two, no chance and absolutely not, they are very categorically no. Absolutely not. You cannot. Moving on to could. This is a bit more polite than can, so it can be used in more formal situations, or it could be used with strangers as well. For example, could I sit here? Could I have your attention? Could you possibly have a look? These are quite formal, very polite questions asking for permission. We could use a statement like you could play in the garden if you want. So giving some polite permission. It's not very common to use it in this way. Normally we would use can, and we certainly don't use it in the negative very often at all to not give permission. So mostly we use it for polite requests for permission. The response would be yes, you can. We wouldn't say yes, you could, because that is more of a possible option, not giving permission. So yes, you can. Yes, of course. Yes, sure. Yes, that's fine. Yes, no problem. Just the same as with can. And likewise, denying permission, we use exactly the same ones. No, you can't. No, sorry, I'm afraid not. No chance, absolutely not. Okay, moving on to may. This is even more polite than could, but these days we don't commonly use it except in really, really formal situations. For example, may I sit here? May I have your attention? You may go to the bathroom. You may not begin the test until I say so. To respond to a polite request for permission using may, we would reply saying, yes, you may. Yes, of course. Yes, sure. Yes, that's fine. Yes, no problem. Denying permission. No, you may not. That is really very formal. No, I'm sorry. I'm afraid not. No, you can't. Now, even though we asked the question with the word may, we can respond saying, no, you can't, if we're responding in a less formal way. And absolutely not as well. May as a question, we tend to use when we're asking for permission, we tend to use it with may I. We don't say may he or may they. It's typically just in the first person. But you can use the positive or negative statements with the second or the third person as well. Hope that has helped you. Thank you for watching.